to get such effect with this alpha channel, let's see how we can achieve this. This is what you will get in ArchiCAD before render, and this is how it will look after render. If you render in ArchiCAD, if you render with some better software, surely you will get a better output also. For this, maybe I'm having this image with me, so you can take this any such image you can take which is in a black and white format, and then open that in Photoshop, and then after that, what is our target? We would like to fill up this with some particular color. So go inside the select, and you can say color range, and we are just first of all targeting with this picker tool, and we're just going to pick this white color area. So that becomes, by default it will get selected, so all the white area will get selected. You'll say why not black? It's easier to select white and then return to black in this image, so I'm doing that. I'll do the inverse for the selection now. So all the black area is now selected, and then I'm going to add one new layer. On this layer, earlier layer I'll switch off, now it's the current layer. You can select any color as per your choice. Use the bucket tool and try to fill up this area. Okay, once this is filled, now don't deselect the selection area, let it be. Now let's add the alpha channel. So switch to the channels tab. Here you can see new layer, and new channel, and that will become by default alpha. Now here alpha can be only in a black and white normally. Black is transparent, white is opaque. So you just have to make sure. I'm going to refill this area with a white, so rest becomes transparent. Now switch back to RGB. So this is your main image. It's time to, you can deselect everything. Now just go to file and save as, and use the extension for this as what you can call GIF file, because that carries alpha channel. By default it will get saved inside. Other files normally they don't support. Now definitely save this on the required location with some proper name, and try to keep on saying OK everywhere. Nothing has to get changed. Now in ArchiCAD you should start with a surface. You can see new surface, which I'm going to make the duplicate of any plane surface I've selected. I'll just try to rename this as a surface alpha, and here in the basic engine you have to just go inside the texture rollout, and there you can go for browse, and you can just add that image which recently you have developed. So make sure that your image is there now with you. Say OK. Now you can see the reflection of that selected pattern, see the proportion and everything you have to match. Now in the alpha channel effect, you just have to make sure use the transparency and just click outside. You will see now the effect is activated for the alpha channel. A similar setting you should try to forward in the Cine Render also. So I'm clicking on the Cine Render, and here I can see match setting, update Cine Render setting from basic. Now you can see the correct reflection of this alpha channel along with the main image. Just say OK for this. The surface is ready. What I have done, this is the wall actually, and this wall I'm just going to copy for you again. Now remember, the wall which I have used is actually with a 0 thickness. You can decide as per your choice, and I have used this as a 1 meter by 1 meter. Now when you apply this new surface, So if you just check out this new surface which you have, so that you can apply. I'm just going to apply this surface alpha. Okay, this is on the both the sides. Now remember that when you render this, you will get the effect. In case if your image is not getting displayed properly on the surface, make sure the surface is selected, and in the document option, you have to go for the creative imaging and align 3D texture, set origin or set direction. You can use the combination of this till you don't get the required result on your surface or on the whatever the wall you have selected. So once you got that end product correctly, now you can just go and render this. Of course, if you render this with Twinmotion or Lumen, I think that will be much better. But here we're just trying to render through ArchiCAD, and of course the light and everything will make a lot of difference. So moment this render is through, you can get the effect how this is working. So I hope you can use this and try to solve the problem in your design. Let me know if this is somewhere helpful for you. Thank you.